Buying land is only the first step. The real question is, what happens after making payment? Here is the typical land documentation process in Asaba. And the first one is make your payment. After you must have agreed on the type of property that you want, make your payment through a proper channel and collect your official payment receipt. The second one is sign all necessary documents, be the deed of conveyance or assignment, depending on the one that the company is issuing, and other transfer documents depending on the type of transaction and the seller. The third one is collect your survey plan. It's a survey plan that shows you your exact plot, the boundary and the dimension. So survey plan is one of the most important land title documents because it shows you where your plot started, where it ended, the location, the boundary. It protects your plot. And the fourth one is allocation. If you are buying from an estate, they usually allocate in your own specific plot. So allocation shows you where your own plot started, where it ended. Like, it transforms your purchase from a promise into a physical land that you can see, claim, and touch. And the fifth one is perfect your title. Depending on the property existing titles, other things may involve registration, stamping, governor's consent, applying for statutory or customary certificate of occupancy through the Delta State Ministry of Lands and Surveys or other relevant local government, depending on the type of land and location. So don't just focus on buying land, focus on completing the documentation, because what protects your investment when it comes to real estate is your documentation. So do well to complete your documentation before claiming that you have owned your own property, so that you start saying I bought land and start saying this is my land, especially when you must have received your allocation. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button, because I'll be dropping more real estate things, investment opportunities here in the city of Asaba. And if you're Nigerian living abroad or Nigerian diaspora who are looking forward to own your own property back home, either for your residential, for land banking, agro cash flow, investment, I got you covered, ranging from 10 million naira to, or should I say, ranging from 850,000 naira to 70 million naira, depending on your budget and the type of location that you want. I got you covered, because I also help you secure genuine land and verifiable land documents. So do well to reach out to me immediately you see this video. Let's get started before prices climb further. So see you on my next video.